Most people think they're bad with money, but the truth is simpler. They're stuck in invisible traps they don't even notice or probably created.
Yeah, traps baked into everyday life. Habits, systems, behaviors that quietly drain your income without you realizing it. It's like living in the financial matrix, but today we're handing you the red pill.
We are exposing the worst of the worst, 6 money traps that keep millions of people broke, stressed, or stuck.
And more importantly, how to escape every single one of them.
This is part 1. Let's begin.
Let's start with the biggest one. I like to call it the lifestyle level up. You earn more and somehow still stay broke.
It's simple. Your income rises, your expenses rise with it.
You get a raise, so you celebrate by upgrading your phone, your clothes, your weekend routine.
Until your lifestyle expands to perfectly consume your new income and you remain financially stagnant.
Escape plan? Before you upgrade anything, upgrade your savings rate.
Exactly. When income increases, lock in a percentage for savings or investments before you reward yourself. Otherwise, your future self pays the price.
The minimum payment trap is one of the most profitable inventions in the banking industry.
That's because it feels nice. Small monthly payments, low pressure, big smile on your face.
Until you realize you're paying interest for years, sometimes decades.
And the balance barely moves.
Here's the escape. Always pay above minimums on high-interest debt. Even an extra 10 to 20% per month cuts the payoff time drastically.
And if your debt's scattered everywhere, consolidate. One payment, lower interest, less chaos. This one hurts because everyone thinks they're immune. Subscriptions are engineered to be forgotten.
Free trials, auto renewals, only $7.99 a month, multiplied by 12, and things start taking a left turn. Over time, you don't even remember signing up for them.
The average person loses $100 to about $500 a month to unused subscriptions. Imagine what an extra $100 or two would do rather than throwing it all away.
Your escape plan. Monthly audit. Go through your card history, cancel anything non-essential, and switch to annual plans only if you actually use it.
Money saved is money earned, especially here.
I'm guilty. Bad day? Buy something. Stress? Order food. Bored? Scroll and add to cart.
Emotional spending is predictable, and companies exploit that with targeted ads.
Escape plan? Simple. Use the 48-hour cart rule. Put it in your cart, walk away, and let the impulse cool down. Craving junk food? Eat what you already have. If you must order something, buy what you need, not what you emotionally crave.
Exactly. Delayed purchasing exposes lies. If the price suddenly makes you hesitate, that means you didn't want it. You were reacting to a feeling.
And here's the plot twist. Most urges vanish in less than an hour. 2 days? 90% disappear.
Discounts aren't savings if you never needed the item in the first place. 10% off nonsense is still nonsense.
Cook, bro. Let him cook.
People waste fortunes chasing limited time offers, bundle deals, and buy two, get one free.
Yeah, half the stuff people buy on sale ends up unused, dusty, or thrown away.
The escape plan. Before buying any deal, ask, would I buy this at full price? If the answer is no, the discount is irrelevant.
Trap 6 is brutal. Comparing your life to people online. When you compare income, cars, vacations, careers, you start spending to impress, not to advance. People bankrupt themselves trying to match people who are also pretending.
The solution: focus on your personal financial lane. The only metric that matters is your monthly net worth's direction. Is it going up or going down?
Comparison kills wallets. Progress builds them. Life is a marathon. Stay your lane and focus.
And that's part 1. 6 of the biggest money traps keeping people stuck. In part 2, we go deeper,
into the traps that destroy long-term wealth and keep people from ever getting ahead.
If you're serious about escaping financial stagnation, you don't want to miss it. Hit subscribe so part 2 finds you automatically. See you there.